hello, welcome back to Homeschool. Here is your Radhika ma'am. Today I am going to discuss with you state level mathematics question paper which is conducted by Karnataka State Board on 29th Feb 2024. This paper weightage is 80 marks and time limit 3 hours 15 minutes. First page, if you look over, you will be having some general instructions for the candidates. So please don't forget to read those. Let's quickly start solving here. First main. 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. In this main, you will be having 8 questions, each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. First one. The maximum number of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is. See the word quadratic. Quadratic means how many zeros you will be expecting here? 2. Yes, your answer is C. Let me write your answer here in short. First one, quadratic polynomial, it will be having 2 zeros. Your option is C. Right answers along with the options is compulsory. Second one, the volume of a sphere of radius r units is. It's a direct formula. Volume of a sphere. It is 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Where is the answer? Answer is at option B. Option B, 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Okay. Third one. If the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is real and distinct. Understand here, standard form of a quadratic equation given and the nature of the roots are real and distinct. That means discriminant is greater than 0. Discriminant is greater than 0. What is d value? B square minus 4ac. Check for that option. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. It is your option D. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Fourth one, if secant a is equal to 2 by root 3, then the value of cos a is. We know secant a. Secant a is 2 by root 3. Cos a is nothing but 1 by secant a. That is, just do the reciprocal or 1 by 2 by root 3, that is none other than root 3 by 2. Check for this option. It is your option C, root 3 by 2. Fifth one. In the arithmetic progression, x, 21, 18, so on, the value of x is. You need to find first term value, that is x. So you know second term and third term. Here it is in AP, means common difference will be same. That means you can write this as A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Just equate the values. 21 minus x is equal to 18 minus 21. 21 minus x is equal to 18 minus 21 will be minus 3. So transpose x that side, it will be plus x, minus 3 this side, 21 plus 3, therefore x is equal to 24. Where is your option? Option A, 24. Sixth one, x plus 2y is equal to c1 and 2x plus 4y is equal to c2 are pair of linear equations if 2c1 is not equal to c2. Then the equations have. Observe this carefully and write these a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 values. And please bring c1 this side, minus c1 equal to 0. c2 this side, minus c2 equal to 0. Now write the ratios. a1 value is 1, A2 value is 2. B1 value is 2. B2 value is 4. C1 value is minus C1 as it is, you write. C2 value is minus C2. Now try to cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are. And here minus minus will be cancelled. Observe these two ratios are equal. And see the condition here, 2C1 is not equal to C2. That means if you cross multiply here, what you are going to get? 2C1. 2C1 is not equal to C2 into 1 is C2. If you cross multiply, what you are going to get? That is given here. That means we should write here in between not equal to sign. Now again check, 2C1 is not equal to C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. That means the lines are parallel and they doesn't have any solution. So what's your option? No solution. Option D, no solution. Seventh one, the prime factors of 91 are. What are the prime factors of 91 here? In your option, you are having 13, 7, 13, 7, 1. So which option you are going to select? So your number is 91. 13 7s are 91. 13 into 7 into 1 also 91. But observe the word prime factors. Here you can see 1 is neither prime nor composite. So please don't go for this option. So your right answer is option B, 13, 7. What are the prime factors of 91? 13 and 7. Don't go for 1. Eighth one, in the given figure, you can see the figure over here. OP perpendicular to AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. Then length of AB is. What is this length is your question. You know that any perpendicular drawn from center to your chord divides equally. That means PB length is 4 cm. Automatically AB length is also 4 centimeters. What is this to sum? 4 plus 4 will be 8 centimeters is a AB length. What's your option here? Option A, 8 centimeters. With this, we complete our first main. Second main, answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 8, each carries 1 mark, 8 ones are 8 mark. And the number starts from 9. LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. That means A value is 24, B value is 36. LCM, L is equal to 72. Find their HCF. You need to find HCF. Understand like this. A, B you know, L you know, you need to find H. You know the relation. H into L is equal to A into B. H is equal to A into B by L. Substitute the values. 24 into 36 by 72. 36 2s are 72. And this will be 12. 2 12s are 24. Therefore, HCF of two numbers. What are the two numbers? 24, 36 is equal to 12. 10th one. Find the roots of the equation x minus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Very simple. Just equate to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Minus 1 if you transpose, you will get plus 1. And here plus 3 if you transpose, you are going to get minus 3. Therefore, what are the roots of the quadratic equation? The roots of the quadratic equation are x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 3. 11th one. Write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of a cone having its circular base radius r1 and R2 and height h. So volume of a frustum formula, volume of frustum of a cone. You please write completely here. 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 cubic units. You can write here cubic units. 12th one. Find the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Given quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. Find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means let the zeros be alpha and beta. Sum of zeros, we know the formula. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Given quadratic polynomial, compare with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. And write a, b, c value. A value is 1. B value is 7, C value is 10. Now substitute here. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus B value is 7 by A value is 1. That is, therefore, the sum of the zeros is equal to minus 7. 13th one, in the figure, angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees. Then find the value of sin R by cos R is equal to sin R by cos R. So where is your R? R is acute angle here. From here, sin ratio you need to take. Sin R means what is the ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin R value is opposite by hypotenuse. 12 by 13. Then what about cos R? Cos R adjacent by hypotenuse. That will be 5 by 13. 13 will be cancelled. Your answer is 12 by 5. 14th one, a square based prism die whose each rectangular faces are numbered 1, 3, 4 and 6 is rolled once. Find the probability of getting number 2 on its top face. Square based prism. Okay. And whose each rectangular faces are numbered 1, 3, 4 and 6. See here, I cannot say any 2 here. So what you are going to do? Just you can write impossible event and it is 0 you can write, or you can go with number of sample spaces. What are given here? 1, 3, 4 and 6. N of S is equal to 4. And the event, let me take A be the event. A is equal to, do you have 2 here? No. So let me write empty set. N of A is equal, there are no elements in this, so I'll write here 0. Probability of this event P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. That will be 0 by 4 will be 0. Or directly you can write this event is not possible. That means value is 0 and you can write impossible event. 15th one, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. You need to imagine in this form. If the area of triangle ABC is 49 centimeters square, AB is equal to 7 centimeters and PQ is equal to 9 centimeters, then find the area of triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, you remember a theorem. What is that? The ratio of their areas is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So apply that here. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, which sides we are going to take? AB by PQ whole square. Right? Area of triangle ABC is 49. PQR we don't know, we need to find that one. Area of triangle PQR is equal to AB 7, PQ 9. 7 by 9 whole square. That is 49 by area of triangle PQR is equal to 7 7s are 49 by 9 9s are 81. So if you transpose or if you cancel, what you are going to get? Area of triangle PQR is equal to 81 square centimeters. That's it. Just cross multiply or cancel, you are going to get the value. See the last one, 16th one. If sin 90 degree minus A is equal to cos 60 degree, where A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Sin 90 degree minus A, complementary angle. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. But here theta value is A. Cos A is equal to cos 60 degree. See here, equate these two. You can remove cos and your acute angle A value is 60 degree. With this, we are going to complete our second main. Third main, answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 2 marks. 8 2s are 16 marks. Numbers start from 17. 17th problem. Prove that 7 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So, these problems I am going to solve in little shortcut. We need to prove 7 plus root 5 as an irrational number. First, let us assume 7 plus root 5 as a rational number. Equate to any rational number, either A by B or P by Q, where these two are co-primes. Now, 7 transpose other side, A by B minus 7. Root 5 is equal to, do LCM, A minus 7B by B. A minus 7B by B is a rational number, root 5 is an irrational number. These both cannot be equated, therefore finally my assumption is wrong and 7 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So let me write shortcut of your answer here. Statements I am not writing there. Root 5 is equal to A minus 7B by B. 18th one, find the roots of the equation 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0 using quadratic formula. 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. First compare this equation with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare. A value is 3, b value is minus 6, c value is 2. What is quadratic formula here? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute all the values. X value is x and the b value is minus 6 plus or minus square root of b value is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3 and c value is 2 by 2 into a value is 3, right? Minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 whole square, minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 by 2 3s are 6. 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24 will be 12 by 6. Most of the children will end up the answer here itself. No, it is wrong. still you need to simplify this one. Check, is 12 a multiple of any perfect square? Yes. 4 3s are 12. So rewrite this as x is equal to 6 plus or minus 4 3s are 12. 2 comes out. That means 2 root 3 by 6. Now x is equal to, take out 2 common, 3 plus or minus root 3 by 6. Cancel 2 3s are. Therefore, what are the two roots here? X is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 3. I am writing your answer here. X is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 3, or x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 3. 19th one. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method. 4x plus y is equal to 15 and x plus y is equal to 6. Solve these equations using elimination method. So, observe the variables here, 4x and x, and here plus y. So, both are having same value and same sign. So, just subtract the two equations and change signs. Right? Y minus y will be cancelled. 4x minus x will be 3x. 15 minus 6 is 9. X is equal to 9 by 3. X is equal to 3. Now this x value substitute in any one of the equation. X plus y is equal to 6. X place write 3. 3 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 3. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, what is your final answer here? That values x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. 20th problem. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. First 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. What is that? 4, 9, 14, so on. Sum of first 20 terms. The progression is this one. So what we are going to do first, write term numbering A1, A2, A3, so on. And your first term A value is, A is nothing but A1, that is 4. And the common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 9 minus 4 will be 5. D is equal to 5. We need to find S20 is equal to question mark. Sum of 20 terms. If you want S20, first we should write formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N place substitute 20. S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2. A value is 4, but don't write 2, 4. Should never write, just use a bracket to substitute a value. 2 into 4 plus n value is 20 minus 1, d value is 5. That is 2 tens are 20. 10 into 2 fours are 8 plus 20 minus 1 will be 19 into 5. 19 5s are 95. 95 plus 8 will be 103. 103 into 10 will be 1030. Therefore, finally, what is your answer? Sum of 20 terms S20 is equal to 1030. In this, you have one more OR question. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So, what are all the divisibilities of 6? 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus so on. Sum of First, positive integers, and those integers are divisible by 6. So write the series like this: 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus so on. How many? 40 integers sum you want. That means yes, 40 is equal to question mark. Now as usual, write A1, A2, A3. First term is nothing but A1, that is 6. Common difference A2 minus A1, that is 12 minus 6, that is also 6. Now write Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is 40 is equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into a value is 6 plus n value is 40 minus 1 into d value is 6. 2 20s. 20 into 6 2s are 12 plus 40 minus 1 will be 39 into 6. 20 into 12. 9 6 are 54. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 will be 23. 234. 20 into 12 plus 234, it will be 246. Multiply these two. 0. 2 6 are 12. 8 9 4. Okay. 4920. Sum of 40 numbers which are divisible by 6 are 4920. Yes, 40 is equal to 4920. Next question. 21. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. Find the coordinates of the point means here P, X, Y, which divides the line segment joining points. So this point divides and this is your line segment. Let me mark it as A, B. Joining coordinates are 1, 5 and minus 4, 0 are divided in the ratio 2:3. Are divided in the ratio 2:3. So like this you need to draw a line segment and you should understand. Point of division, this coordinate we need to calculate. So apply direct section formula, that is Px, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. For this coordinate, write the values x1, y1 and this is x2, y2, ratio m1 is to m2. Substitute now. While you are substituting, easy technique. First write m1, m2 value. 2 into plus 3 into by 2 plus 3, 2 into plus 3 into by 2 plus 3. Now, what is x2 value? Minus 4. x1 value is 1. y2 value is 0. y1 value is 5. That is minus 4 2s are 8 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 zeros are 0. 0 no need of writing here. Plus 5 3s are 15 by 5. Okay. Minus 8 plus 3 will be minus 5 by 5, 3. And this 5 ones are. So finally you are going to get minus 1, 3 is your line segment division coordinate. Right? 22nd one. If P of A is equal to 3 by 4. P P of A is equal to 3 by 4. Show that P of A bar is not equal to 1 by 2. How can we do this? P of A value given. P of A bar, prove that it is not equal to 1 by 2. So let me go with the relation. What is that? P of A plus P of A bar is equal to 1. P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A. 1 minus P of A value is 3 by 4. Do LCM. 4 minus 3 by 4, that will be 1 by 4. So finally what I can say here? P of A bar is equal to 1 by 4 and it is not, P of A bar is not equal to 1 by 2. 23rd, draw a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 3.5 centimeters which are inclined to each other at an angle of 70 degree. So draw two tangents and the tangent's inclination angle is 70 degree. First, let me draw a rough construction, children. You please do with your tools. Roughly I am showing how it will be. Radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeters. Tangential angle is 70 degree. That means what is your central angle? It is 110 degree. So 110 degree. Mark like this. Then now again tangents and from here tangents. So if you measure, this angle must be 70 degree. So mark this point P and this as A and this is B. Therefore AP and BP are the required tangents having an inclination angle 70 degree. Actually with tools you do this construction. And coming to your 24th one, find the value of cos 45 degree into sin 45 degree by secant 30 degree minus cot 60 degree. Right? By using ratio table you can say this direct value. What is cos 45 degree? It is 1 by root 2 into sin 45 is also 1 by root 2 by secant 30. If you remember secant 30 value, directly you can say secant 30. Otherwise, cos 30, it will be root 3 by 2. Do reciprocal, it will be 2 by root 3. Okay. Now, same manner, cot 60. If you remember cot 60 value, directly you can write. Otherwise, tan 60 value is root 3. Now, reciprocal of root 3, it will be 1 by root 3. Okay. Now multiply this. 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 by, do this LCM, root 3. 2 minus 1 by root 3. That will be 1 by 2 by 1 by root 3. Now bring this to the numerator. How we are going to bring? 1 by 2 into, do the reciprocal and multiply. That is root 3 by 1. Your answer is root 3 by 2. 23rd is just a construction and this is 3.5 centimeter. 24th is root 3 by 2. And in this you are having one more or question. Prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. So first consider LHS. Consider LHS part, that is cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. It is a direct textbook question, this one. Now do LCM. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now here you have 1 plus sin A. This cos A, multiply up. That is cos square A plus. In this denominator you have only cos A. So this set multiply here. That makes 1 plus sin A whole square. Now simplify this one. Cos square A plus, this is in which formula? A plus B whole square. A square plus 2ab, that means 2 into 1 into sin a, that is 2 sin a, plus b square sin square a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Okay. Now again by using identity, what is sin square a plus cos square a? It is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now here you can add this, 1 plus 1 will be 2 and then take out 2 common. Cut. This is 2 plus 2 sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now take out 2 common in the numerator. 1 plus sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a will be cancelled. 2 by cos a is nothing but 2 secant a. This is equal to RHS. And right here you are applying a plus b whole square formula, right? Since a plus b whole square and sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, through identity you need to write this side. And here is equal to RHS, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Rewrite the question and say hence it is proved. With this we are going to complete our 3 mains, and in our next session we are going to continue this paper. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.